In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fall Guys stuck on loading screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over various methods to help you address any issues that you are having with Fall Guys stuck on the loading screen. So, this is going to work for both Epic Games and Steam. The first methods that I want to showcase are the simplest ones possible. So go over to your library on Steam or Epic Games, right-click Fall Guys, go over to Properties, and then Installed Files. You will find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. The same can be done over here on Epic, so click these little three dots, go over to Manage, and then you will be able to verify the files once more. Click Verify, and as the name suggests, what this is going to do is scan all the files installed by Fall Guys on your computer. If it detects that any of the files are missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired, meaning that you essentially have a fresh installation of the game. So go ahead and try again. If it doesn't work, then I would recommend more simple things, such as restarting your PC. You can do this after this entire video, but this might help if you've just finished installing something like Visual C++, which is required to run the game. So by restarting your computer, you should also be able to fix this. Now, if these simpler methods don't work, you can move on to other things. So one of the things that I would recommend is that you go over to your Windows Firewall. So go over to Control Panel, find Windows Defender Firewall, and then go into the allowed applications. You should be able to find Fall Guys in here. What you have to do is make sure that this is allowed for both private and public networks. So if these boxes here aren't ticked, you should go ahead and make sure that they are all ticked. By ticking these boxes, you are going to be allowing the connection of Fall Guys to be established, and you should get past the loading screen to actually get into the game. If all of this does not work, then a fresh installation of the game should be done. So uninstall the game completely and re-download it. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fall Guys stuck on loading screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.